Hey everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we will be studying about the AWS Elastic Beanstalk. Now, Elastic Beanstalk is basically an orchestration tool. So, orchestration is like a tool which does something for you on your behalf. So, you'll understand the meaning of orchestration when we do the Elastic Beanstalk practical. So, let's go ahead and understand Elastic Beanstalk with a simple use case. Now, the use case is that you want to deploy a highly available PHP application in AWS. Now, in order to have this specific use case scenario, what are the things that you'll have to do? First is you have to work with auto-scaling groups, you have to work with launch configurations, you have to work with elastic load balancers, then RDS with multi-availability zones. Then since it is a highly available PHP application, then with the user data scripts, you have to configure the entire PHP environment. You have to configure the web server as well as you have to configure the application itself. Then you have to work with security groups, elastic IPs and lot of other things. So these are the traditional ways, and if you might have guessed, the amount of time it will take to configure this entire code base is actually huge, and this is the traditional way of doing this. Now, when it comes to Elastic Beanstalk, there are very few steps which are involved. One is we create an Elastic Beanstalk environment with a right platform. Right platform as in if you have a PHP application, then you have to select a PHP platform. If you have a Python, then you select a Python platform and similar. Then you upload your source code of your application and you just do a point and click, and Elastic Beanstalk will do everything for you. So let's do one thing. Let's go ahead and do the practical so that this can be better understood. So this is the EC2 console. Now I'll go to the Beanstalk application and I'll click on get started. Now I'll give it the application name. I'll say as demo-pack. Now we have discussed the first point is choosing a right platform. So there are a lot of platforms which are available, including Java, PHP. You also have Docker over here. So depending upon the code or the application which is written, you select one of the right platforms. So let me select a PHP right now. And application code, I'll select a sample application code. You also have an option to upload your own code. And I'll click on create application. Perfect. So that is it. So Elastic Beanstalk will do everything for us. So all we have to do is we have to select a right platform. That is the first part. Second part, you can either select a sample application or you can upload your application code, and rest everything Elastic Beanstalk will do it for you. So let's just wait for a moment for the Elastic Beanstalk environment to get created. Alright, so it has taken few minutes. So let's look into what Elastic Beanstalk has done for us. So it has first created a security group. It has created an elastic IP. It went ahead and launched an instance, and basically it also done a lot of things like it configured the PHP environment. It configured the web server in terms of the data scripts. Now, currently the environment is successfully launched, and what it has basically given us, it has given us the URL. So if I go ahead and click on URL, you will see that this is a sample application based on PHP which is automatically configured. So this is what Elastic Beanstalk is all about. Now it did a lot of things for us, like creating of EC2 instance, creating of the security groups, elastic IPs. It handled the entire part of PHP application configuration and various others. So this is what is called as the orchestration platform. Now you also have the ability to upload your own application, and Elastic Beanstalk will handle the backend part for you. So this is what is called as the orchestration platform. So this is the high level overview about what Elastic Beanstalk is all about. I hope you understood the basic of Elastic Beanstalk as well as the orchestration. In the upcoming video, we will be discussing in more related to the Elastic Beanstalk features and what are the things that Beanstalk can do for us. So this is it about this video. I hope this has been informative for you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.